Okay, so once you sign in, you will be brought to your course dashboard, and you'll want to go ahead and head on over to your name up in the top right hand corner. You're going to scroll down and click on Settings. Okay, and then this will bring you to your account settings. So if you'd like to change your preferred first name, your email address, your alternate email, anything can be changed like that here. Sharing your Schoology calendar, linking accounts, all of that is here. Also, you can set your home page too if you'd like for it to be on recent activity rather than the course dashboard. Then you can do that. Okay, so I'm going to click on notifications, and this is a really important page here. So if you would like to receive text notifications for your child's assignments or a Schoology account, you're going to go on here to send notifications to your phone via text message. You're going to type in your phone number and then your carrier, and then you're going to set mobile. Okay, so then you're going to want to make sure that you go through and you turn on and off each one of these messages that you would like to receive. Okay, so you have the academic, so if you get an update from your child's course, do you want to get an email for that, or a notification up here, or do you want it turned off? Okay, course comments on updates, assignments, or discussions, comments on my posts, course content created, course materials that are overdue. Okay, and you can go through this list and kind of decide what you want to receive emails for and texts for, and what you don't want to receive emails and texts for. And when you're finished, you'll click on Save Changes, and that should be it. You can also go through these to privacy settings, and you can choose who sees what for your information. And then if you accidentally delete anything, your recycling bin is right here also. So again, I clicked on my name up here, and I went down to settings, and then I was able to do that through notifications. Okay, so text notifications over here, email notifications here.